guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oil. The month of April 2023 has amazing smells coming right through this box. And this month we are focusing on inner and outer brilliance. In our previous boxes, we have set the stage for our 2023 year of intention and how it is time to shine. You can tap into your inner brilliance by setting aside some personal time for yourself with no distractions and allowing your mind to wander into boredom. See the steps on the reverse side of this card on how to do this, okay? For outer brilliance, we are focused on skin. In your box this month, you will find products that will help your skin, your outer brilliance shine and glow. So the first item is the Brilliant Blueberry Soap, a gorgeous, gentle, exfoliating handmade soap crafted with ground oatmeal and sea salt. This soap, reminiscent of a fresh burst of blueberries, softens, cleanses, and moisturizes skin beautifully. And I believe that is what I was smelling through the box. You can smell the blueberry. It smells amazing. The ingredients are olive oil, soybean oil, coconut oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, organic shea butter, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, ground oatmeal, FD&C color, and fragrance. Okay, so the next is the Brilliant Rose Hydrating Body Toner. This is infused with roses and rose hips, a powerful hydrating combo. Our Brilliant Rose Body Toner is a luxurious treatment for your body that plumps and infuses skin with moisture. This superb hydrating toner can also be used as a face toner or hair mist to hydrate and refresh. I do not recall if I have ever used a hydrating toner for the body such as this. It feels just as it's described. It is very hydrating, soft, and feels like it's really going to hold in the moisture, so definitely look forward to that. Okay, so this one is the Brilliant Blueberry Body Lotion. With an intoxicating burst of natural blueberry essence, our Brilliant Blueberry Body Lotion is a lightweight, non-greasy body lotion that will leave your skin hydrated and moisturized all day long. Oh, this feels so nice and it smells so good. It's fresh blueberry. Well, this pours out really easily. So I literally have see the lotion all over me and all over the bottle. Give me a second. Look how thick that is. That feels so good. I can't wait to put this on after the tub. All right, so the next one is the Exfoliating Scrub Soap Saver. So this exfoliating soap saver not only keeps your soap dry between each use, it also makes for a luxurious scrub in the shower by plumping up those soap bubbles for an incredible, refreshing shower. Just drop your favorite bar soap and lather up with gentle cleansing and exfoliating. Our soap saver will help improve skin tone and circulation. Okay, so this is actually a net, a soap saver net, and it's like a funnel shape, so you can stick the soap in there, and then you can put your whole hand inside there and scrub with it. And it says you just rinse it and dry it well, and it's, reusable many times. Oh, this here is what I've been smelling. So this is a Blueberry Crush Body Scrub. A body scrub crafted in the shape of a sugar cube. The sugar cube scrub is made with a special blend of moisturizing soap and oils plus solar evaporated organic sugar. The sugar contains beneficial glycolic acid, which gently exfoliate and encourages the body to produce collagen. Oh my goodness, I have to jump right into the tub. I don't think anyone could open her boxes and not jump right into the tub or want to jump right into the tub. It smells like such fresh blueberry as well, with glycerin, shea butter, and coconut oil. You just wet, scrub, and crush under running water and then rub in a circular motion to exfoliate. So once again, she has an amazing box. This was April of 2023. And I believe, when she has extra boxes on her website, you can actually go and get past months if she has any available as well. I'll leave all of the information down in the description below. So what did you think of this box this month? It included the exfoliating soap exfoliating scrub soap saver, the blueberry body lotion, the Brilliant Rose Hydrating Body Toner, the Brilliant Blueberry Soap, and then the Blueberry Crush Body Scrub. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next.